Types of numbers. There are two various types of numbers as follow. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers, and these are denoted by n. Therefore, n is equal to 1 open braces 1 comma 2 comma 3. All natural numbers positive. There is not number, therefore 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the not a natural number, therefore 1 is the smallest number. Whole numbers. All natural numbers. All natural numbers and zeros form the set of whole numbers, and these denoted by W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is the smallest whole number. Whole numbers are also called non-negative numbers. Whole numbers is equal to open braces 0, 1, 2, 3. Integers. Whole numbers and negative numbers form the set of integers, and this is denoted by I. I is equal to open braces negative infinity so on -4 comma -3 comma -2 comma -1 minus -1 0 comma 1 comma 3 comma 4 comma closed braces. Integers are following two types: positive integers denoted by I plus 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and so on. Negative integers. Negative integer numbers are called negative integers, and these are denoted by negative integers of natural numbers. I minus is equal to open so on -1 comma -2 comma -3 comma -4 and so on. 0 is neither positive or nor negative. 0 is positive, neither positive nor negative. Even numbers. Even numbers, a countable numbers which is divided by 2 is called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, and it is the unit place of the every even number will be 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The unit place of even number will be 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. Odd numbers. Odd numbers, a counting numbers which is not divisible by 2 is known as an odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and so on. The unit place of every odd number will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, thank you.